All Jamaicans that living in the US and coming down, this is the process. See them? Having a bag from Tuesday. Today Friday. The flight come and guess what? Nobody coming out with no bags. Them I tell you for God we are. This is what it's like. Don't come down here, don't come on JetBlue. Don't bring no relief come on Jamaica. This is what it is. Arms house, dirty people. Them don't give a fuck. This is what it's like. People frustrated. Them come down to help them family and this is our way I get. Be a disrespect.
Well, I want my viewers and subscribers. Boy, I see now Manley upon it again. I see the lady come out and she talk about how much days she come and can't get her stuff them from Manley. And when Bojo come out, you know, I go on like a lie Bojo a tell. What me could hold on for the people them things. I take on one take the people them things.